Welcome to Dialogue 30.
Let's go and eat. We can continue this discussion at the dinner table. I am sure that we are all starving. Sorry, Jeanne, I hope you don't mind being corrected.
Not one little bit. The problem is that people let you make mistakes. They never correct you. They think it is impolite to do so. In a class with other students, you just learn rules. The teacher has not the time to correct each mistake. The student thinks he has learned the lesson, but he makes mistakes. It is refreshing to be with people who care enough. It is also very good to talk to people who can explain properly.
Thank you. In many language schools, the teachers are not qualified to teach correctly. They learned English intuitively. Then they try and explain English with a grammar book. English is a mix of different grammar systems: Latin, German, French, Celtic, pre-Roman English and many more.
I learned grammar, but native people could not understand me when I talked. This was because I pronounced very badly. I find that the past tense in English is easy for regular verbs. You just have to add ed